Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to turn a landing page into your home page in Kajabi. This is incredibly useful when you want visitors to land directly on a specific offer or campaign page instead of a traditional home page, giving you more control over your site's first impression. To get started, head over to kajabi.com and sign in to your Kajabi account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself in the main dashboard where all your course and website management tools live. This is your central hub for making any changes to your Kajabi site. Next, look toward the bottom part of your left sidebar menu and click on Settings. This section houses all the core configurations for your Kajabi account, from branding to technical details. It's where you'll control how your site appears and functions for visitors. Under the Settings page, you'll see several options listed. Click on Site Details. This is where you can customize everything related to your websites, including navigation, branding, and importantly, what page serves as your home page. It's essentially the control center for your site's structure. Now, on the Site Details page, look for the option labeled Home Page. You'll notice a selector field right there. Click on it, and you'll see several choices for what can be set as your home page. The options typically include a store, library, landing page, or the default template. For our purpose, select Landing Page. This action tells Kajabi that instead of using a standard homepage layout, you want a specific landing page to greet your visitors. Once you select Landing Page, another field will appear asking you to choose which landing page you want to use. Click on the drop-down menu and browse through your available landing pages. Select the one you want to set as your home page. This flexibility allows you to test different pages or align your home page with specific marketing campaigns. After you've made your selection, click Save at the top right part of your screen. This finalizes the change, and your chosen landing page will now be the first thing visitors see when they arrive at your site. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.